Welcome to the new Luxe Weddings 2.0 Actions collection. Let's jump into an edit of one of our example images to get you familiar with the collection, the 2.0 workflow, and the exciting new adjustment presets. This dreamy photo was captured by Noelle Photography. To start, we're going to play up the airy meadow vibes with the soft, airy wash global style action. Now we're going to bring back those gorgeous sky details. To do this, we'll use the AI Sky, enhance blue sky and clouds action under extras and brushes. To further emphasize and define the clouds, we'll copy the resulting layer group, but dial the copy down to 28% opacity to better suit the scene and not compete as much with the hazy mountains. Now that the sky is popping, we're going to create some immersive contrast and felt texture with depth contrast from the advanced toolkit in our final touches section. When you play the action, you'll see our suggestions for removing this effect from your subject's skin. So, using the resulting mask and a soft brush, we're going to remove the effect from the subjects to maintain a natural glowy feel. Now, let's bring back up the color overall with our saturation increase tool to make the meadow grasses and florals pop. To unify the look, we applied the Haze Add tool for added atmosphere, then dialed it down to 11%, resulting in a global, dreamy look that doesn't overwhelm the photos or the changes we've made thus far. Lastly, let's boost color once more, applying a final saturation increase action. When done, you can select all applied layers and drag them to the folder icon to create a group. With this, you can adjust opacity for the whole edit, or compare edits by toggling the visibility of each group. In just a touch, Actions apply a recorded sequence of complex processes for fun, easy, pro-level control over outcomes in a non-destructive way, allowing endless possibilities and opportunities to get creative and bring your vision to life. This collection is the first to include our signature workflow toolkit in the form of adjustment presets, bringing the hover to preview click to apply experience of Lightroom and Camera Raw directly into the Photoshop workspace, combining the ease of presets with the non-destructive, easy adjust application of actions. This new toolkit makes image prep and small tweaks a total dream. Thanks for following along. We hope you have as much fun editing with these tools as we did creating them. Happy editing!